Hello everyone, in response to this wonderful comment by Kazumon646, I'm going to make my newest video on the vaquita, which is a highly endangered species of porpoise. Now, there are two main reasons for the reasons it's nearly extinct. For one, humans. For two, evolution. Obviously. So, humans tend to overfish these things on accident. We don't actively hunt them. However, they're small and tend to get caught in fishing nets. And these things breed very slowly. They're also very isolative. They aren't like other porpoises. They're much less social. These animals would much rather spend their life alone, which makes it much harder for them to build up larger populations as they breed less often. The vaquita is also one of the smallest porpoises in the world, coming in at only around 5 feet long and only typically weighing 180 pounds. Once again, there are exceptions out there. However, those exceptions might never be found, because unfortunately, their population is only between 5 and 8. We don't really know, seeing how there's a pretty big ocean with them, but there's not many. These animals are critically endangered and are known as the most endangered porpoise in the world. Now, this animal is not a dolphin. This is a porpoise. From this tree right here, you can see its closest relatives are orcas and beluga whales. This means that they are, like, decently smart, but just not social. Like, narwhals, a completely unrelated whale. Sorry for going off topic with this, but narwhals are very anxious animals. They can die from anxiety. The vaquita, I think, is actually pretty similar because of its isolative behaviors. It doesn't tend to be the most well-known. Like, we don't know too much about the vaquita. It tends to hide. There was not that much I could really find on it, but it seems like an interesting animal, and it's really sad it's going extinct. Luckily, with the fact that we are working on de-extinction, and the fact that it is still alive, most likely we could theoretically bring it back. Will we? Probably not, since unfortunately, not that many people care enough. And when it comes to de-evolution, money is what they care about. What will make the most money? What will bring the most profit? At least, that's what I think. You might think something different. But, anyways, that's the video. Have a great day.